guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I did an open cup galaxy pour the other day and I loved it. I wanted to do it on a bigger canvas and on my faster spinner. So this is a 20 by 20 canvas. I'm a little nervous. You can kind of see it's kind of high up and I'm pretty short, but we're gonna try to make it work. So this is gonna be a lot of black in the background. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with some around the edges to make sure I get it fully covered. And then we'll go ahead and add the colors in on the middle. All right, we've already got pretty good coverage here, so I am going to start off with a puddle of black. And then I'm going to go ahead and start pouring my colors through. So I'm using some white, some Malibu Sky, which is a metallic blue. I'm using some electric purple, it's a hot purple. And I am going to go ahead and put black in between some of these. I've got some turquoise, some copper, and then a pearl pink. Now I'll go ahead and speed this up because I'm going to go ahead and just keep pouring these. Now we spin. Okay, I think I like it. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so to be honest, I'm not totally sure how I feel about this one. Did not quite come out how it was in my head. I think I'm going to have to try this again. I do really like this over here. But I'm going to try it with a cup that doesn't move. So something heavier, and then I will just lift it up and let those cells out. But let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely on the fence. For me, it's like a meteor heading towards a planet, maybe. Something like that. All right, well, either way, I had fun doing this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it, and I will see you all next time. All right, so I've got this kind of crazy idea for basically a double layer pour. Now I want some of this to show through. I'm not completely happy with this. I didn't really like this big space here. I didn't quite get the cells how I wanted, etc. So I'm sure there are some people that absolutely love this, but I do want to do a little bit more work on it because what really matters is that I like it. So we're going to just try something crazy, and you know, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You don't learn anything by not trying anything. So what I'm going to do basically is I'm going to do an open cup pour with floetrol. Now I have watered it down a little bit because I do want to make sure that it absolutely dries clear. So this is basically going to be my base. And yeah, it looks white right now, but floetrol pretty much dries clear. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to do little layers of color into that, but I'm going to add a lot more floetrol. And we're going to see if this works. So we basically end up with a double layered pour is what I am hoping for. All right. So I'm not using a ton of color. I'm gonna use some white. I'm gonna use a lot of metallics. Some amethyst, and this is a heavier cup, so I'm hoping it doesn't move quite as much as the other one. This is a metallic blue that my daughter made. Not sure what's in it. Deep sea. Let's do some more of the floetrol in here. I'm gonna use some fairy spit. And a little bit of the hot pink. I think I do want some copper in here also. Okay, do more of the floetrol mix. And I'll speed this up because I'm gonna just keep doing this pretty much till I think I have enough on here. So I do really like this, but of course we have no idea how this is going to dry. So this is pretty watery, and I'm hoping it's just quite transparent, and hopefully those cells hold. But let's go ahead and spit it out, the fun part. Okay, so let's see what happens. The tricky thing with this is it's not going to dry at all like this. Like most of this white will be gone because it's going to dry basically clear. So I'm hoping that it pretty much just adds this really cool lacing on top of the bottom layer, but I have no idea. If this does work, if I pull this off, I think it could be such a killer technique and I'm gonna have so much fun playing with it. If it doesn't work, I'll probably try it again. But moment of truth, let's go ahead and let this dry and then we'll see what happens. All right, so this piece is now completely dry. It definitely did not have the reaction I was going for completely. You can kind of see the design through it a little bit in some spots, but overall this top layer came out a lot more opaque than I was going for. I think that's probably due to the turquoise and the white that I used. Those were very opaque colors. So either way though, I still think this is a really, really cool painting. It was definitely worth the experiment, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be one that I will end up embellishing. So let me know what you guys think. Was this experiment a success, a fail? Would you like me to try it again? And I will see you all next time.